My name is Susanna Reid. I live at the Glen Farm in Falkirk. We have 175 milking cows, Holstein Friesians. It's a family dairy farm. We came here in 1916, the Reid family. We diversified in 2013 into ice cream, retail only. We built a cafe, and we have over 36 flavours on display at all times. Once I've made my base mix, which is after Alistair's milked the cows in the morning, I'll carry the milk over and put the milk into our pasteurising machine with our cream and our skim milk powder. We then pasteurise it up to 72. Then it cools down, and then I can start the process of making the ice cream in the batch freezer. I draw off about 8 litres per two 5 litre pans, and I can make anything. Some of the flavours I have to put it into the mix, and then it is mixed in as it goes down to its -7, which is the temperature that I take it off. Our Scottish tablet is our top seller. Everybody loves that. It's made by a local girl. Also, Ferrero Rocher is very popular. Or Pure Moo, which is just the base mix, which is just the mix coming straight out of the pasteuriser and going into the mix, is also our #1 top seller. Everybody comes for a Pure Moo. It's fascinating how it tastes different at different times of year depending on the grass. And the locals like to notice that, and they enjoy coming to talk to me about it. We make over 300 flavours. We use Scottish produce as much as possible, and I make most of the ice cream. I have a couple of staff now. We employ over 20 staff with 3 full-time members, and the rest are weekends and school holidays. We also supply Falkirk veal and the kelpie.